Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox freezing. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox freezing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this list of app info you will enter to force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. Don't forget an information here, don't click clear data because that's give a mistake. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.